Council budget for the financial year 2024-25. After the historic signing of Bodo Peace Accord on the 27th January 2020, the subsequent formation of our UPPL BJP government, this budget for the financial year 24-25 is our fourth budget. And what an auspicious time it is to present this budget with the underlying themes Vibrant BTR Mission 24-25. This people-centric approach envisages governance from the root to the top. It seeks to empower our grassroots institutions, process and voices which were neglected with impunity during the previous government's rules. At the outset, it gives me immense joy and happiness to congratulate our Prime Minister of Bharat, Sri Narendra Modi ji, on having received an overwhelming mandate and a historic third consecutive democratic victory to lead our great nations towards a Dixit Bharat. The vision of Sri Narendra Modi ji, the commitment and dedication of Home Minister Sri Amit Shah ji, and the continued support and guidance of Chief Minister of Assam, Karmayogi Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma ji has already kick-started a wonderful journey of peace, progress and good governance in the Bodoland territorial region. Ever since the historic Peace Accord 2020, Polytechnic and Vocational Training Institute at Gabardhana, Baksa district with an estimate cost of 47.07 crore. Polytechnic and Vocational Training Institute at Parbatjora, Kokrajhar district with an estimate cost of 24.07 crore. Birsa Munda Cultural Complex at Amguri, Kokrajhar with an estimated cost of 9.62 crores. Gurkha Bhavan and Cultural Center at Chirang with an estimated cost of rupees 9.63 crores. Mr. Speaker, sir, it is also encouraging to note that long-pending demand of our people which were incorporated as clauses of the Bodo Peace Accord 2020 are already seeing the light of day at a rather fast pace. I would also to mention the following for the benefit of this August Assembly. Payment of rehabilitation package 4203 cadres at the rate of rupees 4 lakh each, and ex gratia payment to the next kin of the next kin for 632 martyrs at the rate of 5 lakh each have been completed in the last 3 years. In the previous 17 years rule, the opposition only around 300 next kin of the martyrs had received ex gratia payment. Inclusion of 41 villages from Sonitpur district to BTR has been completed. 19 other villages are in the pipelines. Provincialization of 259 services of teaching and non-teaching staff of 10 Pensar colleges of BTR has been completed. Budget provision has also been earmarked for the financial year 2024-25 as Grant in 8. The process is ongoing for the remaining colleges and elementary and high schools. Honorable members of this August House will have been allotted the EM and MCLA quarter, which has been built with an infrastructure development grant to the tune of approximately 100 crore. I believe that this facility will greatly enhance our collective work culture and productivity. মই হাউসক ক'বলৈ পাই আনন্দিত হৈছোঁ যে নেক্সট উইণ্টাৰ ছিজনৰ আগে আমাৰ EM-MCLA কোৱাৰ্টাৰটো কমপ্লিট হ'ব আৰু সকলো নতুন কোৱাৰ্টাৰত থাকিবলৈ পাৰিব। Honorable Speaker, sir, I am also happy to announce the near complete renovation of the Bodoland Guest House at Chennai. It will be shortly opened and dedicated for the service of our people, our public from BTR. Further, the guest house of Siliguri and Kailash Colony, New Delhi have also been upgraded with major renovation. We have also enhanced the fixed pay salaries of employees of the guest houses outside Assam. Beside this, we have completed submission of the requisite details project reports for approval of 19 projects under the special development package to be funded by the Government of India to the tune of rupees 717.23 crores in the first phase.